Hello everyone, welcome to the world of mathematics. We are going to study about subtraction of large numbers. First of all, we are going to familiar with the three different terms related to subtraction. These are the three different words related to subtraction. They are minuend, subtrahend and difference. And these three words we can familiar with help of an example. Children, please look at the example what I am written here. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. That is 6 is subtracted from 10 and we got the answer 4. Now we can relate the terms minuend, subtrahend and difference to these three numbers. Okay, 10 is known as minuend, 6 is known as subtrahend and 4 is known as difference. Okay, maybe you understand what is the relation here. From which number we are subtracting, that number is known as minuend. That is why we are selected 10 is minuend. Now, what is the number to be subtracted? The number to be subtracted, that number is known as subtrahend. Then the final result after the subtraction, that result is known as difference. Okay, and look at the same example. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Then the number which is given before the subtraction sign, that number is known as minuend. The number comes before subtraction sign, the number is known as minuend. Now the number comes after the subtraction sign, the number is known as subtrahend. Then we are getting the answer here after the subtraction, that answer is known as difference. Now children, look at this question. Here there is a subtraction statement is given there, and look here, from the subtrahend 3 numbers are missing and from the difference also 2 numbers are missing here. So we are going to find out what are the numbers are coming at that missing places. Okay, once again see the name of the numbers related to the subtraction: minuend, subtrahend and difference. There is all numbers are presented in the minuend. 76,438. There is no missing numbers. And look up the subtrahend, 3 numbers are missing. Then after the final answer, there also 2 numbers are missing. Okay, now we can study one by one how can we find out the missing numbers. Now we are going to do the subtraction. First of all, we are subtracting the numbers in the ones place. 8 minus 8, what is our answer? 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can move into the next place. 3 minus dash is equal to 2. See, 3 fingers. How many fingers I have to fold to get the answer? 2. I have to fold 1 finger. Then we are getting 2. So what is the number is coming at this place? Our answer is 1. Because if you are subtracting 1 from 3, then only we are getting 2 here. Now we are moving to the next place. Okay, that is 100 place. Minus dash not 4 minus dash is equal to 6. Look here, 4 is a small number, 6 is a bigger number. If you are subtracting any number from 4, do you get the answer 6? No, because 6 is a bigger number. So in this case, what we are doing there, I mean, if the minuend number is a small number and after subtraction our answer, the difference is a bigger number, at that time we will borrow 1 from the next place. The next place number is 6. This 6 will give 1 to this 4. Then 4 become 14, 6 become 5. Do you understand why this 4 take 1 from this 6? Because under this 4 the given number is a bigger number, and we cannot get a bigger number subtracting from the small number. That is why the 4 take 1 from the next number. When 4 get 1, 4 become 14. Who give 1 to this 4? 6 given 1. So 6 loses 1. That's why 6 become 5. Now we can subtract here. 14 minus dash is equal to 6. If it is difficult, this what you want to do is draw 14 line and you check how many lines cutting after we are getting the answer 6. Okay, so we have to write the answer as 8 here, because if you are subtracting 8 from 14, then only we will get the answer 6 here. Okay, so we will move to the next number, next pair of number. Here 5 minus 6 is equal to dash. Can you subtract a big number from a small number? No, not possible. 5 is a small number, 6 is a big number. Then what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the next number. What is the next number here? 7. 7 is giving 1 to whom? To 5. 7 is giving 1 to this 5. Then 5 become 15. Then what happened to the 7? 7 become 6. Now this 5 become 15. Okay. Now we can do the subtraction. 15 minus 6. 15 is a big number, 6 is a small number. And here also the children who have the difficulty in subtraction, what do you have to do? Draw 15 lines. From the 15 line you cut 6 lines. Then count how many lines remain there. Okay. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Okay. So we will move to the next place. Here the minuend number 6 and subtrahend number is missing there. Okay. Then see the answer. Here the answer is 4. 6 minus dash is equal to 4. Or from 6, which number we want to subtract to get the answer 4? We want to subtract 2, because 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we got all the missing numbers missed in the subtrahend and the difference. We will see our subtraction is correct or wrong one more time. 8 minus 8, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Now 4 minus 8 is equal to 6. So it is not possible. That is why we are borrowing 1 from the next number. Then 4 become 14, 6 become 5. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Then here 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, not possible to do the subtraction. So 5 borrows 1 from the next number. The next number is 7. 7 gives 1 here. Then 5 become 15. Then 7 becomes 6 here. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. And finally 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is the method we have to follow when we are finding out the missing numbers in the subtrahend and difference. Minuend number is small and the answer is big. Then you borrow 1 from the next number. Then you do the subtraction, as like what I did for this 4 and 6 cases here. Here 4 is a small number and 6 is a bigger number. At that time you should make 4 become 14 by taking 1 from the next number. Here we can write the answer directly. Minuend number 3 and difference, the answer here is 2. Then 3 is a big number, 2 is a small number. Here you don't want to borrow any number here. You can directly write 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the step you have to follow while you are doing these kind of problems. I hope you all understand today's topic. We will meet again in another video with another content. Until then, bye.